Hello, hello everyone. Today we will continue our classes in Oracle database. As we start in the last two videos about RMAN topics, we cover how to connect to RMAN and how to make a full database backup. And in the second video about RMAN, we'll talk about losing physical files in the operating system, how we recover it. Today we go in the third class about RMAN, how we fix losing data from the tables. If we lose the data from the tables, or by mistake we delete the data from the tables, or we drop tables. Today we will see how we can fix this by using our backup. Okay, we go to SQL Plus. We will see how this will be done steps by steps. Our database is down. How to start it? Okay. First things, we have to check the time of the database because we want to create a table and insert data on it. Then we delete this data. This is the first things. But before we delete the data, we make a backup. So we can restore the data from the backup. We will see this together. Okay. First things, we have to check, select the charges date and the date format from the URL. This 26 March is the time. Okay, then create table name test. Varchar2 varchar2 50 is the size. Create the table with two columns, ID and name. Varchar2. Okay, table is created. Insert into test values 1. Okay, Osman. This is our row created. Insert into test values column number 2. Say Omar. So we create two columns and insert it. We create the table test and insert two columns in the table test. Commit. If we select all the data from test, we see Osman and Omar. Okay, okay. Exit from here. RMAN target. Backup. Can do thing. Forget something. Yes. We need to check the time before. Yes, this is the time we need the data is inserted and the table is exist. Okay, because we want to restore to this time. Exit RMAN target. Okay, backup data base plus archive log. Now we're making a backup for the data for the same day, March 26. Okay, now backup. We make a full backup for all the database plus archive log plus data. If we exit from here and go to SQL plus sys as sys DBA, select all from test. We see we have two columns. If we delete this data, delete all from test. Two row deleted. Commit. If we select again to check the data exists or not exist, select all from test. No row selected. Now we're losing our data from the table test. We need to recover it. What to do? The good things we have a backup. We have a full backup or we have RMAN backup. First things, shut down the database. Database closed, database dismounted. We start up in mountain state. Now we have a table test but without data. What to do now? We shut down the database, start up in mount mode, exit from here and go to RMAN target to use our backup. We have a command but we use it for this. This is our command. We will see our time here that when we finish insert, because you want to restore to the time that we have already insert the data in the table. This is the time and the date. This is the time and the date. We make copy from here. Okay, this is a command. Run, begin, set until time to date format, and the time we need to restore our database and recover database. Okay, we will take the command. I will leave all this script in the comment. Here we are. Best. And this is our right time. 19. Enter. Set until time to date 26th of March 1729. Okay, finish recovery. Now restore the database. What is the other things we have to do? We have to go to SQL Plus and check the table data and our database at Mount State. We open it, open the database, add reset log, alter database, open reset log. Now we are opening our database. Okay, now we have to check the table test. Select all from test. You see, our data is restored. The two columns that we are already deleted from the table. This also can be happen if we drop the table. You can restore it. But unfortunately, this is useful when you have full backup for the current time, or I have a backup for the current time before you delete the data. But sometimes this will not save you. We will see another scenarios that we drop something after a long day of work. At the end of the day, we cannot go back for the last backup we have. We use another things in Oracle database that can be fix this error. For now, you can know this how will be done, how to be travel to expected time that we need to go to if we delete data from the table by mistake or drop a table. These tools is useful, can be used in RMAN by run the command and go to specific time. Go to specific time and restore the database and recover the database and open it in reset locals. Thank you. Thank you for listening and watching. This is Muhammad Shanashi. Say hi for everybody watching me. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and your support very appreciated. Thank you very much. Thank you, and good day. Thank you.